Today we're gonna see what's new at the Dollar Tree. I'm real excited, so come along. Everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects and shopping tips, all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. With the fall season getting started, I wanted to take a trip to Dollar Tree and see if I could find any new items, and let me tell you, I was surprised. If you want to see what I got at Dollar Tree, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Alright you guys, I went to Dollar Tree today and let me tell you, I could not be more excited to find some of the newer items I haven't seen in years past. I also got a few things that I'm going to share with you that I'm going to work on some projects, and I will be sharing those with you on future projects. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, let me tell you, this is the right time to do it because we're about to kick it in gear for fall. Alright, let's get started with the haul. I found some of these really pretty mums. These are orange mums. I've had these before in the yellow, but these mums are so pretty. And actually one of them is missing. Don't you hate that? Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you hate this like I do when there's one missing, but it's so pretty you cannot just leave it there. Plus you get 5 flowers for $1, so they're basically under 20 cents, so that's not that bad. I got a few of this, and then this is a newer pick too that they have. I've had this before with the gourds and the pumpkins, and I like this one with the little gourd right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems of foliage, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a wreath that we're going to make our very own picks. Now if you haven't seen the video of how I show you how to do swags, you want to go and check that out. I'm going to link it up on the icon right here for you guys to see that, because you want to learn how to make your picks. We're going to do a wreath with all Dollar Tree picks made by you, so make sure that you get yourself some foliages. Now this is a brand new item this year. I have not seen it. This is so pretty, you guys. This little pumpkin, just the pumpkin at Hobby Lobby would be like $1.50, and you get the whole pick for 99 cents. It has 2 little leaves of foliage. It has this really pretty, it's kind of like a plastic of, I would want to say this is like a boxwood, and some berries, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I had to buy a few of this, and also got one of these wire wreath forms. I've never worked with these before, but I'm going to attempt something with it. So I got myself one of these right here. Now let me give you a secret. This is something you want to try your local Dollar Tree, because I was rummaging through the fall stuff and this employee came to me and asked me if I needed help. I said yes I do, and I said is there anything that you guys hadn't put out that is for fall? I know it's just getting started. She's like, oh yeah, she's like, there's these boxes of really pretty picks and foliages out on the back that we're about to bring. So she just asked me to wait a few minutes, and there she comes wheeling these boxes of fall, and let me tell you, the prettiest pick I've seen in my life for 99 cents or $1. Look at this. That flower by itself at Hobby Lobby would be $2, $3, plus the foliage, plus the little grass. Isn't that just gorgeous? Give this one a thumbs up if you guys like it. I cannot tell you how gorgeous this pick is, so I had to really stock up on this one. I cannot get over it, how pretty it is. The flower is such a good quality. I cannot believe the flower, you guys. I would literally just buy a whole bunch of this to take the flower out and keep the pick for filler, but look how beautiful. I cannot get over this one. So go to your local Dollar Tree and look for this one. Like I said, I got a whole bunch of them. They're just so pretty, and I'm gonna go to other Dollar Trees. I'm gonna stock up on these for future projects, even if it is not this year. I'll use them this year, but even if it's not this year, stock up on that pick. And then, sorry about that. And then I got some of these wreath forms. They are made out of that like grapevine material, and we're gonna work with these 2 guys together. And I really want you guys to stay tuned for a wreath that we're going to put together using this. So I got 3 of those because I have some ideas in my head. And then this is another one of my favorite new ones that I hadn't seen before. This is like really mini sunflowers, like a sunflower mom. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems of this. They put in this these plastic grasses this year, and let me tell you, it's such a good quality. I cannot believe this is $1, you guys. And the flowers are so cute. I'm gonna get it closer so you can get a look to it. They are so pretty. And that grass, that's a Himalayan grass. That is such an expensive item. And I cannot believe that it's only $1. Oh my gosh. Alright, and the last one I got is this other really pretty. Let me tell you, they stepped up the game on the flower picks this year. This is a, I think this is a Gerber daisy with a little pine cone and some fall maple foliage. It's just so gorgeous, and it's only $1. So of course I had to get a few of these as well too. So what do you guys think? Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you've seen this at your local Dollar Tree, and if you think the Dollar Tree has stepped up the game on sales. I cannot tell you how much I love them. And then the last thing I got is some Ziploc bags, because we are out of it and we need them for our lunches. So yeah, this is my haul. Go to your local Dollar Tree, get yourself some of these gorgeous, this one, you guys, if you don't get this one, something's wrong with you, okay? So you have got to go and get yourself some of these really pretty fall pick. I'm gonna go to another one. I'm gonna stock up on this. I literally got all the ones that they had. So that's all I have for today. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with one of your friends. Let them know that we're about to get started with fall, and I cannot be more excited. I'm gonna turn it over to you now. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite thing to shop for at the Dollar Tree? And also let me know if you've ever asked any of the employees to see what's behind doors, because I love doing that. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. Went through separate checkout lines, but before I do that, I want to show you what I got, because I'm sure you guys know by now what I got. I have some fall florals. They have the fall already out, and I got 5 stems of that. I can't believe these are only $1. And I'm gonna make a review for that, so please stay tuned. I got me a candy bar for later.